Hello and welcome back. If you are just joining me, my name is Hun. My channel is all about making better coffee. Today I'm going to share with you Nanopresso and Nanopresso Barista Kit. Before we start, I'm going to shout out to Wacaco to sending me this to review. And so far, I'm just loving it. This thing is fantastic. And even though this is made from plastic, but just well built and well designed and really easy to use. So let me show you what Nanopress, what Nanopress is. So Nanopress is like outdoor espresso maker. I mean, you can use it indoor as well, but more designed to be, used in outdoor setting like camping or hiking perhaps. So when you buy just a Nanopress itself, so here's what you're gonna get. This is it. But once you open it, so you're gonna get so this is equivalent to your portafilter. So this is filter baskets, and then so here's more like the pumping. So pumping area, so you can you are going to create a pressure to make espresso. Pump, and inside you got a scoop and little brush there. And then, so here's their water chamber as well as cup. So it's all self-contained. I mean, so you don't have to have extra things to carry around. Just everything's all self-contained and nicely designed. Okay, so the thing about the Nanopresso, this is a single shot espresso basket. That's it, single shot, which means this one about 8-gram filter baskets. So they come up with Barista Kits. So Barista Kit convert Nanopresso into double shot baskets. Okay, you can do double. So when you purchase this, you're gonna get spare single, temp, and then you're gonna unhook this. So this is the adapter ring. So this is where you're going to make the single to double. So you need this to make that happen. And then here is your 2 double filter baskets with a lid on it. So I mean, let's say if you are going to a long hike, if you are going to your friends, you can prepare 2 ground beans, and then you can make coffee. And then you have larger size water chamber, and you can make actually Americano as well. So this is just well designed. So tell you what, let's make some coffee using, actually we are going to use a double basket using Barista Kit. Meantime, I'm going to start my water and see in about a few minutes. Water is ready. So now I'm going to put everything together for using Barista Kit, making double espresso shot. I know, look like big puzzle here, right? So let me show you how it's gonna work. So first, so this is the pump area. So we are going to use the filter, the not the filter, but the adapter. And then we are going to use double baskets. So remove the top. Just like that. And here's our portafilter. Only thing we gotta do is put the water chamber and lock it in. So this is our double shot Nanopresso. So now our Nanopresso with the Barista Kit is ready to go. So now this one can make double espresso. I mean, it's somewhat long and a little bulky, but you know what? I mean, it's gonna be great to use. So here's what I like to do. I like to preheat the components first. I know that's a little hassle, but definitely worth doing it. So simply, I'm gonna put some hot water. I'm gonna lock it in. So once you remove all the water, I'm going to move back the piston, and then I'm going to start drying out the components inside quickly. Just make sure dry inside, like so. Make sure dry completely, the filter baskets. Now, I'm going to grind some beans and let's make some coffee. So now we have freshly ground beans. So it's about 17 grams here. The problem with Nanopress, there's no easy way to put the beans in it. So I made myself just paper dosing funnel. I'm just gonna simply put it in right now. Let's see here. Just like this. There was a lot of squeezing, but man, did you see how much crema come out? And I don't think it was fake crema either. I mean, they look like pretty legit crema. Smells great. You know what? Let's try this. I'm really excited to try this. I'm just gonna mix it well. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it really good. Cheers. Wow. It's not bad. It's slightly under extracted. Slightly under extracted, but I need to change the grinder setting a little bit more finer next time, because again, you have to remember, so even though this is espresso, but you don't want to grind like our espresso grind size. Okay, you want to be somewhat coarser, little coarser. So like, for example, if you are using the built-in grinder from Barista Express, let's say if you are using number 7 or 8 as your standard espresso shots, you want to go to maybe like 13 or 14 range there, higher grinder size. If not, it's going to be choke out the shots. So I mean, that's the one thing, but overall the shots are fantastic. I mean, it's really good. But again, so the key to making a great espresso with Nanopresso is a heat management, the thermal management. Just make sure you have really, really hot water, okay? And just make sure warm it up properly. So right now, I got some water in there as well. So I'm gonna open up gently. Let's see here. I'm just gonna dump out some water. So you have a pretty good amount. So you can dump the espresso in there, or if you have like nice mug, you can make yourself a nice Americano as well. So let's try the Americano. It's this beautiful crema on the top. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with the overall performance for the Barista Kit. Here we go, cheers. Wow, much better. I think I prefer Americano over espresso on Nanopress, because you're gonna get more, feel like you're gonna get more out of it. Temperature is perfect. Yeah, it's good. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. See you guys next time.